here to pick up Dwight Ibuba, guys. Okay, go, Hana. Hana! Wait na, Hana! Nasa bridge!
Yung pressure ako.
Kaya makita niyo eh! Ayaw! Go na! Move ka closer! Pag-start tayo! Move ka lang! Natay lain-lain na roles diri sa work, guys. Okay, man!
Okay siya dira. Again, ngit-ngit diri.
We're going to Mati!
8:41. Nakasleep na ka, Dwighty?
Yes, I'm on a 4-hour sleep.
Ikaw, Blank.
Don't ask. Oh my gosh, we're so full of energy right now. I
Our
can.
driver,
Yes.
she's on her CR break.
Yes, we're going
We have
to
to
see
take
our
care of her
break,
because of
guys.
course.
Yes. Okay. Bye. Guys, we're on our way now to Mati. We just had our first eating break. OMG. Bye. Bye.
Behind the fucking scene!
Just like candy.
Papatayin ko! Ang ugali!
Malapit na tayo, guys. Ayan. Assignment pa yan, ha? Assignment ko to. Lahat may assignment. Ito na.
Mutuyok lang ko dito. Ipaalapos lang ako. Di-off na ako dito.
Ay, wait lang!
Reviewing?
Okay.
Medyo turbulence ba yung asahan? Umayos kayo.
You can hear the scream. Wala po kanigawas bayot. Wait lang, kailangan. Wait lang.
Mga camera crew!
Kung ano mo sa RP, Day.
Isa ko?
Naka-record ah. Sige, Day. Naka-record na siya the whole time. Pakita po mo, Dwight.
For makita natin yung kalagayan namin dito.
Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Yung OMG, guys.
Under construction. What?
Wait lang.
Dahil ba sa ba?
Guys, the setup. Grabe na po.
Ay, front back. Pero pangit.
Tang ina naman. Dili makita si dinosaur. Dili magpapicture na lang.
Tawag kasi.
Pero ang panday.
6 sheet na ako i-apply. Lotion pala ako ipang-apply.
Wala pa ako sunblock ha?
Saan na ni?
Ito tanawa, nagpicture na sila. Humana na sila. Yung ato lang ka-fast ilahati kita. Ang dami ng mga influencers.
Sige na lang tabayot.
Sige na, bitaw niya. Palitan lang na itong mangga. Oh. Kuha ng lamisa. Oh, yan. Magulit. Tay. Guys, may naipit na. May nag-away na. Matayin na. Guys, dili ta pwede pang travel na kita lang.
Kailangan namin ng lalaki.
Sa SF. Ito ba yun? Wow! This is our mom. Our mom cooked our food. Yes, this is our breakfast made by our mom. Time check. What time is our breakfast?
Patong ko
This is our mom. Siya nag-cook ng aming breakfast. And also our driver. And of course, we have for breakfast what do we have?
We have an egg. We have corned beef.
Yes.
And then we have very cute hot dogs.
Nawata sa niyo plato,
Sorry
ma'am.
po. Space in yung likod.
Ito ba yung last supper? Hi guys, we're finally at the Sanatura. Guys, slight milk calculations lang.
Guys, like and subscribe!
Nawala lang may mga 5 minutes, but we're here.
Uy, pwede na pang pickle, oh.
Sige na, mag-pickle ha.
Like and subscribe!
We finally arrived!
Ay, tayo!
Oh, ayan na po talaga, guys. Oo. Finally, guys, andito na pa kami. After nawala mga 5 minutes. And, you know, we're just having fun right now. We're chilling. We're having good food, good music. Music!
Music!
Ayan na po sila, guys. While waiting for our order. And, yes. And that's our view. First stop pa lang ni guys. Ayan. First stop pa lang po ito. And it's so nice here. Wala pa tong food eh. Dili pa siya nice. Drinks lang. 2, 3, here at Wax's. Thank you. It's like, oh! Ikaw ka sa kahoy.
Kanilang na instrument na iwit.
Hi guys, we're now off to where?
Cafe Dahican.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna turn right.
Okay. Nice lagi lighting on it guys. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. We're currently at our second cafe for the day. We're at Cafe Dahican right now, and so far, first impression, the road going here was, in a way, suspicious. You know, but then we're here now, and parang ano talaga siya, isa siya sa mga, ano tawag na niya, wait, ipasari mo.
Oh, it says love the Philippines. It should be.
Oh my god, it's our first time in the Philippines.
Smoothie bowl, guys.
Diba, sig design lang na dito.
Goni, ano siya please?
Sure ba?
Please help yourself man nakabutang.
Di kuha na to.
Dito sa siya.
Tabi ng ganito, di ba?
What if souvenir na? Uy, nice good ang ano. Guys, our mom. Okay, siya po ang responsible person for us. Legally, siya. Thank you so much. Go. OMG.
Bakit ba? Apili kaya ka plus na ako.
Dili na sila maka-find sa ilahang mga gusto, guys.
Sa pamanmi ko palit og shark daw.
Yes, yes, guys. Dili na sila
binabukot eh.
Kung saan mo na yung gina-video, day? Our mom, guys, she's holding everything for us. Ay! Nakonsyos ko, dagan tao. Please! Nauli na nung tao sa car na nung taling ko. Dagan kay tao.
are actually mermaids.
Sige dati. Tira lang ha! Para makita! Perfect! Time check, it's 7:20. Wala pa mong food. Guys, init na ang ulo sa people. Nag-aaway na tanar!
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kahit ikaw sa picture kayo, you're the only one that's holding me. Oh, ay, manu-comment ko sa'yo. Wow. May anahon ko pala nito. Sa ilala ba? Si Suzuki. Guys, si Hana guys is gilamok na po siya. Ayan, look at her. Our mom is editing right now. Look
Our
at her.
social media man.
Ayan, si Dwighty and I are drinking. One-on-one. Tinaga Blair Jude. See? One-on-one. Tinaga Blair.
One.
Gina. Ready? Bato. Kick. Oh, one.
Dili nagainom ite ka nang sa balay-balay lang. Sa kuan lang. Ayan. Dili kami nag-bar.
Dili ma. Mag-mix sa tungklong.
Sige lang ka din lang. Ay, di kayo ko.
Ano? Ay, putang ina.
Baliktad.
Ay, okay. Dapat pool. Kuya, hindi naglagay ng pool. Thanks, Koy.
Dahil, unsa na pa rin mong gingon? Hi guys. We're on our way
Hindi mo na mag-smart.
back to our Airbnb
Washing lang.
because ngano ganito mo balik sa tong
Gago, naka-on ang aircon dito ba yun?
because naka-on ang aircon
And
it's Airbnb. Tada!
oh my god, look at my stickers.
Let's go, Queenie!
It's a trunk lang eh.
Oh, dura lang sa to.
Te, today lang ta mag-drink. Isulit na lang nato. Sige na.
At kinsa mag-drive ba si Queen?
Wala man nag-drink si Queenie. Guys, don't worry. Wala nag-drink si Queenie, okay?
Here's your bag, girl.
Tanaw daw na akong wallet and all.
Abi na nag-order.
Morning everyone. We're here at Bawood for breakfast.
This is breakfast.
After a night of drinking.
Sabaw na sabaw.
Everyone is so tired na.